we got to figure out how to get hot and cold running water to our off-grid ecological habitats, or EcoHabs. Here we have what's going to become a really cool off-grid kitchen shower with hot and cold running water, all powered by the sun. This won't require any electrical or propane or gas hookups, and we can move it around wherever we need it. So we'll take you on this journey. Let's see if we can figure out how to put all this stuff together and make something useful. Thanks to the solar generator and that water heater over there, we'll have hot and cold running water in the wilderness. Our project's starting to really come together here. We modified the trailer to hold this nice toolbox. This is going to be our food pantry. We've used toolboxes in the past for keeping our food fresh. They have a rubber seal, they're bug-proof, they're rain-proof. They really work out well. This, of course, is our hot water heater. It's going to be driven by solar. Our 100-gallon water tank, which Nora did a nice job of painting and get camo motif. Our kitchen sink and cabinet. Now we put some starboard here. We haven't peeled it off yet. We've got the sink setting in here, and we've repurposed a couple of old doors off of another cabinet that we think are going to fit on here really nice. But mainly what we have to do next is construct another cabinet that's going to cover the hot water heater. This has to stay out of the rain and out of the weather. It's important to keep this baby dry. These are made for inside of a house, but we found that they're just wonderful for creating hot water from solar. You can hook the solar panels directly up to the heating element and kick those babies off and create hot water for free all day long.
And you don't need a battery because the hot water heater acts as your battery, so it keeps it hot all night long. Gratitude to the sun.
Bye. Thank you. I'm so excited. I think this is our pump for our kitchen trailer. We've got the shower put together for our off-grid water trailer. Again, for our water lines, for hot water, we're simply using washing machine hoses. These are great. They're insulated, they're tough. They're not going to get exposed to the sun and decompose. And then for cold water, we're using 1/2-inch diameter tubing. It's got a reinforcement in it to help prevent it from squishing when it goes around corners. Phew, we've had a lot of rain. We're taking off in a few days, so I got to get this finished.
Oops.
Uh-oh. Note to self, add drain holes to the sink cabinet. All hooked up. We have our cold water line here. We filled up the tank. Check this out. Got 100 gallons in there. Rainwater from our underground rain cistern. And no leaks so far. So everything's holding tight. Really excited. So we're hooking up the plumbing, then we'll be able to check out the whole system.
Shower anywhere in the woods. Imagine this after a hurricane or a disaster. They could be up and running with no hookups, no gas, no fuel, no government involved, nothing. It's portable, it's solar, it's ready to go. Living free.
I like the frog.